our ladies can get benefited, how they can participate in that.
Right.
So over to you, sir. You can take it forward.
Thank you. First of all, thank you so much, Swakruta Charitable, Trust, and also a special thanks to Manik ji that we connected over just a call. And it is always best to join like-minded people to achieve what we want to achieve together. Which I have also told you, it's a powerful community of women entrepreneurs. So first of all, I'm so happy, and there are so many inspiring women have joined, and this is unbelievable. And but thank you so much, each and every one, for your time, and that you have spared the time to listen to what we have for you. First of all, thank you so much. And I would like to start to about my experience and journey. Today's session is about my experience and journey, about 15 years in branding and marketing, and which will help you eventually to grow your business. And at the same time, what my venture is all about right now, called Srinari, and what all the benefits and why we have started all of that. So before that, I would like to start saying one thing, that however I have 15 years of experience, but I would say that you all are the senior most people than me in experience, because you all are, there's something called, which is business. It is already inbuilt in your system, I would say. Just to give a few example, see now, in business you need to, arrange the finance, take care of the budgets, which you already doing it at home. You all are doing that whole budgeting of how that monthly routine works. You're already doing it. How you can market yourself, which you're already doing it, which if you buy any new product at home, you market about that product to all the ladies and colleagues or your friends. So you are already pioneer in marketing, you're already pioneer in balancing your finance. And in business you need to be multitasker, which you're already when you're born. So I am here today by seeing such a wonderful, inspiring women entrepreneurs. Now I am speechless. I don't know what to explain because I feel you are more experienced than me. But however, what happened is, in your busy schedule, in your busy life, I understand, because you have a lot of things to handle it, like your family, your business. You get very small time to focus to become a woman, I mean, entrepreneurship qualities, which is already there in you. But my job here today is just to enlighten the points which is already there in you. So I'm not going to say anything which is new. I'm not going to say anything which is I have invented, or we have invented. I am just going to highlight those points which you might have forgotten, about the marketing and the branding, which is already there in you. So, to start with, I would like to say, before I get into more detail, I would like to tell you one liner about Srinari. So, Srinari is a exclusive platform for women entrepreneurs across India as well as globe, to increase their business, their growth, to build their brand, to understand how business works, to understand how the pricing in the competitive market works. And also we give a lot of unique benefits for them, whoever register with Srinari. And our motto is to create a powerful community of women entrepreneurs, because today it is very important that every women entrepreneurs get connected with other part of the country. Like for example, somebody staying in Delhi should be able to connect somebody staying in Kerala, and that's how you can exchange businesses, and that's how you can grow. If you need something, or whether it's official or unofficial, whatever it may concern. But the idea is to create those one big powerful community of women entrepreneurs in India. So, to start with, now coming back to same branding and marketing. See, first and foremost, I personally feel that if you want to create a brand, or if you want to create a, if you want to do a marketing for your product, you need to believe in yourself first and foremost. You need to believe in your product. You need to believe in your brand. And you, it is very important that today, whatever you create, you have to make that as a brand, because you need to also understand that when you want to make it in a bigger way, you need to give a identity of that baby which you are bringing this up, and at the same time you need to have the confidence to take it forward. See, there will be a lot of ups and downs in the business. Business is ups and downs, but you need to have that. When it up, it's fine, but when it's low, you need to have that positive aura around you to uplift this whole negativity when you go down. Being very open to you, and it has happened with me, and I'm sure it has happened with a lot of people, when the products doesn't get sold, and when you are on a certain range of products and it doesn't get sold, however you are trying so hard to sell here, there, wherever possible. But the point here is that you are, I mean, you go down and you say, you know what, nothing is happening, just leave it. But as I told all my sellers, as I've always explained to all my sellers, it's much easier to give up than to hold on. So business is something which you need to hold on with the patience. And if the things are not working in a right manner or a right way, then you need to change the line of products. And that's very important, because there are so many competitions. Either you change the line of product, or you see your competitive pricing, so that it stands out in the market. And that's very important, especially during this kind of a time where entire world moving into digital media marketing. So that is coming up with what you called in terms of a little brief about marketing and the branding. But before that, I have to say one thing. There's a lot of difference where you are working for somebody and you do your own business, right? When you're working for somebody, obviously you get an additional perks, that monthly salary is sorted, monthly money is done, everything is peaceful. But yes, you are working for somebody basically. So whatever the talent you have, you are giving it to someone to build that person brand. That's where I realized, when I was working for all the big companies and I was holding a very big post in one of those big companies which I was working with. One day I realized that, why am I giving my talent to build some other brand? Why can't I use those talent which I have to build my own brand, which will help me to sustain in the market on a longer run, right? So, and then one day I woke up and I realized that this is done, and I quit my job. I started my business career, and touchwood, yes, of course, like I said, ups and downs are there, but I still hold on to it, and go for it with the positive aura, so that I achieve what I need to achieve. There are a couple of perks also. I mean, there are more perks you get when you do a business. You are your own boss. You have your own brand. You can work as per your time limits, as per your time constraints, whatsoever it is. And then, end of the day, you're focusing your entire energy and creativity towards building that particular brand. So that's why I said, so keeping in mind that if you're starting up any business, you need to give that particular thing as an identity. And that's very, very important, first and foremost. Second thing is, now once you give the identity for that baby, how will you take it out to the market? Now, this is one problem I'm sure everyone is facing in today's world. But I say that when you have that whole marketing tool itself in your phone, then why you worry about it? So basically, in short and brief, your contact is your marketing tool. Not many people understand that, because end of the day, from your contacts only it will spread. It will not spread you by just random putting up in social media page, randomly putting in Instagram, FB, whatsoever. So the idea is that your contacts are the biggest marketing tool. Second thing is that, see, I'll just give you an example now. You say, for example, now you have started a venture, assuming that you have done maybe sari, jewelry, bag, whatsoever it is. So I personally feel that immediately putting into Facebook and wait for the people to like it will not work, because please understand that there are a lot of issue happens in terms of fake profile and the real profile. So you need to keep that in mind. But what contacts you have in your phone, all are genuine contacts. So start from there. So if you are starting something as of your own, you need to first send out this whole thing to your, make a broadcast list. In WhatsApp there is something called broadcast list. You make that broadcast list, add up all your existing clients or your friends, families. Okay, maybe they may support, they may not support, we don't know that. But your friends, your your existing clients are your best ever marketing tool, because that's the foundation Srinari is on. The word of mouth is the biggest marketing successful tool ever in India and abroad. Just to give a small example, today, if you have seen, I'm just telling you, if Srinari has organized this, okay, this whole this session, I don't think so. We might get people from other side, but all of you have come today because there is a word of mouth has spread from Manik ji and her trust that this is what is happening. Why can't you look into it? So you guys come in and you're open to hear, and that's exactly what works when it comes to the sale. Word of mouth is the biggest marketing tool ever. So I'm coming back to the same point of your phone contact. Now if one person speaks about your brand, I will not name it as product, I will say as brand. One person speaks about your product or brand to say 5 people. So if you have 10, eventually you get 50 customers. And that's very simple calculation. All they have to do is tell them to share it on their Facebook page. So eventually one person sharing it on their Facebook page, they might have 100, or they might have, say, for about 500 people, friends, they will see it. That's how it catches fire. There is no point at all by you just creating a page and just doing a paid promotion. I would highly recommend not to do that, because it's just a waste of time and energy and the money, because that is very important. So to start with, like I said, the marketing is from your contacts, and that's how you can market your products, you can market your brand to a larger audience. Now, larger audience, which I mean to say, which is up to your contacts which you have on your phone. Say for example, you have, say, 1,000 contacts. So now again the time comes that one after 3 months you say, you tell me, hey Sandeep, you know what, I have done for 1,000 contact. Now what do I do? Okay, in Facebook I have done for I'm getting 2,000 likes, inquiries and all I'm getting. So now what do I do? How do I proceed? Now that is something, taking a big next leap or the step to e-commerce world. And that is how you can elaborate the whole business to the entire world. So getting into an e-commerce platform is very very important. Not because I've owned a e-commerce website, or I'm the CEO of a company. Not because of that what I'm trying to say. E-commerce is a platform where it gives you a larger audience, where you can reach out to all over India, where you may not be able to reach out with your 1,000 contacts or through Instagram or through Facebook, because Facebook also have demographically restricted in terms of how to what extent you can reach. Which there are few technical tools which we know, as we are, we spend quite a lot of money on social media marketing and all of that, so we know that there are restrictions. Yes, some people say, I'm selling on Facebook and I'm selling on Instagram. I am getting a good audience, I'm getting a larger audience. But yes, your larger audience are restricted to that particular area. It may not, it will not suffice you to reach out to the bigger audience. And that's, I always tell, I'm not talking about just the Srinari, I'm just talking about the e-commerce platform today in India. Now, moving back to this one point, that there are so many small businesses, right? Now, small businesses are today are the biggest chunk of crowd. Trust me, among the women entrepreneurs, especially after the pandemic, the small businesses are the biggest crowd in India, more than you being your having a boutique, or those who are already been doing the business, especially during the pandemic, when people lost their job, and when they realize that the job is not everything, we need to have something for ourselves, for our own growth and all of that. That's where people are got into very small businesses. Now, they were finding it very difficult to penetrate in the market. They were finding it very difficult to enter to digital media world, because they don't know how to do it. They don't know how to put, where to put, or how do we do the collaboration, or how do we promote it, and where do we promote it, what money should we promote. So all those things was a big question mark. Now, moving forward, that we realized during the pandemic that there are so many issues faced by the women entrepreneurs. So just to give a small glimpse of what I was doing it, I was into events, then I was into advertising, I was into marketing, then I was into entertainment sector for almost about 15 years, being on the top hierarchy positions. And then we were doing a lot of this women welfare program along with my wife. She's the founder of Srinari. And so we had a good database of women entrepreneurs. So what we did is, we made a couple of calls, and we understood that we wanted to understand that how they are selling, because exhibitions are gone, point number one. Point number two is your small time joints for vendors have gone. All of that, everything is shut. So we wanted to understand what we can do for them to uplift them. So then we got a chance to speak to a couple of sellers, couple of the entrepreneurs who are selling small time products. So they all were saying that, what do we do, sir? Because we don't know how to market on the digital media platform. Point number one, we don't know how to get into a bigger e-commerce platform. Now there is another problem. The bigger e-commerce platform has, you cannot enter without having the GST. Now there's another issue is, in bigger e-commerce platform, I don't want to name, but in bigger e-commerce platform, there are a lot of issues which is going on, which just wanted to highlight a few. One is that the the e-commerce platform on a bigger level is predominantly dominated by the male community because of the electronic goods. Second is dominated by the branded products. So I hope you understand why I'm connecting you with the brand, because in future you also will be as recognized as the branded product in bigger e-commerce platform. So it is very important to have a brand for yourself. So coming back to my point, that why they were finding it difficult, because two reasons. One is it's dominated by the male community. Second, it's only the branded products. Now, where these small brands get into inside a bigger e-commerce platform, and they were not able to penetrate, they were not able to do any sale, they were not able to, and they were getting frustrated. Like, I am in a bigger e-commerce platform and I'm not able to do any sale, then why am I even here? However, everyone, however they promote and all of that. See, my question to everyone, to you is, will you leave anyone, the customers, will you buy a product which you just randomly see here and there on any e-commerce platform, or any on the social media platform? Will you buy? You think yourself first as a customer. that okay, if that product is basically from a bigger brand, then oh, you know what, I trust that brand, I'll buy. So you may not even look into it. Now that is the same issue every small entrepreneurs are facing, and that's where we tune them to become a brand and uplift them to a next level, to reach out to a wider audience so that their brand gets recognized and they get a good sale. Now I hope you understand that why this call branding is very 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 important. And another thing, that okay, but I have 5 products. Okay, if you want to look, if you want to become a successful entrepreneurs, you need to understand what kind of products you are selling. So for example, now I say I want to become an entrepreneur, I have some 5 products, I will sell it off. After that 3 महीने के बाद मैं देखूंगा, अगर हुआ तो हुआ, अगर 3 महीने के बाद I'll get another 3 products, I will sell it off. Then after again 4 months, I will get another 5 products, I'll sell it off. See, that there is no consistency. So in business, consistency is very, very important. In the sense, you need to plan it. You need to plan what products you are selling. You need to understand that, okay, you need to have your backup. So if this product doesn't sold in this particular site, how do I alter it? How do I do? So that comes as market research. So whenever you are all are free, I suggest that what you are selling, you need to have a competitive price. The competition is huge in today's world. So today the product which you are selling at probably 100 rupees, I might get it from 80 rupees from some other vendor. So you need to have that pricing factor in your hand, in your, like, it should be like your revision every day. It should be in a tip of your tongue, that this is what it is. So I know how much is getting for. So I know how much I have to give it as an offer. I know what to be done. So I suggest every women entrepreneurs to spare few, say about half an hour, just half an hour into market research. And that is very, very important to understand what kind of what kind of products do you want to sell, and if that product is not getting sold, what should be the backup product which I have to introduce to the market. Now that is very very important, right? Now moving back, moving to other point. So it's to start with, I mean, it is very very important for every woman to become financially independent. And uh, sorry to say, but I have noticed among my friend circle, or among my relatives, or I'm not naming their name, but during the emergency, they don't know what to do. There's no money, but there's an emergency in the family. What to be done? So I mean, it's like it's a worst guilt feeling for any women who are so talented, who are like so multitasker, who has everything inbuilt in them, but at the time of emergency they have no money to spare or to give. So it is very very important for every women to become financially independent, whether they are working under somebody or they are doing their own business, especially the housewives, who are trying to do some many business. So it's actually very very important to be a financially independent, and that is what COVID have taught us. I'm sure everyone will agree to me that COVID has its own negativity, but I take it as positivity, because there are a lot of things which you learn during this pandemic, and it actually taught us what you need to become to be a survival, right? So it is highly important that you become financially independent. Now, how you will become financially independent? So this all adds up, right? So from your business to become brand to market, and end of the day when you do the market, obviously you have a good money flow. Once you have the good money flow, obviously you intend to become financially independent. So the idea is very clear that entrepreneurship is, we all have, but entrepreneurship to develop, to take it forward, to take it to a next big leap, we may not have. So you have to think on those lines to become a successful women entrepreneur, which I told you, the consistency. Like, where will you be in next 2 years? That is very important. You need to note it down. What will you be selling in next 2 years? Where will you be in next 2 years? And at what bank balance you will have in next 2 years? And that is very, very important for every women entrepreneurs, because until unless you don't have a focus or an aim, you cannot just do business. Just okay, आज एक we got about 1,000 rupee profit, I'm done. थोड़ा घर के लिए हमने vegetables सब खरीद लिया और I'm very happy. That should not be the idea or an aim to to become a successful woman entrepreneur. So that is very, very important to be a financially independent. And so to start with, I'll come back to the same Srinari topic, since I have given you a little bit glimpse of branding and marketing. I mean, if you allow me to talk, I'll be keep talking, and I'm sure everyone will go to bed. So, I don't want to bore you guys with more detail and confuse you guys with more and more detail, aspects of marketing and branding, because it's an ocean. And so obviously in my 15 years of experience, little bit only I can share my experience with you all. Anyways, so coming back to what Srinari is. So Srinari, like I said, it's an exclusive platform for women entrepreneurs where you can sell your products across India and globe. Now, as I mentioned you earlier, we have started this Srinari considering with couple of difficulties what everyone were facing it. Now, I'll start with that. There are many bigger e-commerce platform are charging obnoxious commissions. So we thought, how do we tackle that situation? Because assuming that if you're selling a product for 100 rupees, so they charges about 40%, 30% margin, and they sell it, right? So they are, so end of the day, when the product goes out, sorry, somebody's trying to say, okay. So when the product goes out in the market, so imagine the commission gets added, the GST gets added, the courier charge gets added, the banking charge gets added, and the packaging charge gets added. So technically 100 rupee product, eventually it goes out to 350 rupees. So when now today's world, customers are very smart. They are not like just that, oh, 350, let's buy it, big deal. They check these products outside, how much they are selling for, all of that. Now you tell me 100 rupee product, somebody selling for 350, how will it get sold? So we understand that commission will never work, because there are a lot of women entrepreneurs are finding it very difficult with these commission model. So for our first benefit is, we don't charge commissions. You get your complete product money for yourself. That is what you deserve for what you have made, or what you are reselling, whatever it is, what you deserve for. So you get the complete product money. Now the second thing is that, chalo, abhi I am selling in, so there are somebody who says, I am selling in Facebook and Instagram, मेरा तो बहुत अच्छा सेल हो रहा है, आप क्या अलग कर रहे हैं? So that was another biggest challenge we had kept in front of us. So then we thought, what do we do to uplift these women entrepreneurs? What do we do to increase their sale over and above what they sell in Facebook and Instagram? Then we come up with an idea that we give offers from our side. Now, every month we give offers which are very, very unique. That I'll just have to give you one example. In the month of November, what we did is, any customer purchases for 800 rupees or above, they get 500 rupees off, which means you can sell 800 rupee product for 300 rupees, including shipping and the GST. So which you may or may not be able to sell when you are selling this product on your Facebook or Instagram. So what will happen is, like this we gave in December, similar big offer, like we have segregated our products under 500, under 1000, under 2000 and 2000 above. So under 500 we gave 60% off, under 1000 we gave 50% off, under 2000 we gave 40% off, and above 2000 we gave 30% off. So there was a seller who has purchased I mean, the customer who purchased for 10,000 rupee ka product, they got straight away 3,000 rupees off. And this offer is completely from our side. The monies will not be deducted from you all. And that is how we as a Srinari stand out with all the e-commerce platform which is available in the market. And at the same time, most of our sellers, make the double triple money with our offers. Now coming back to the other thing, now if you would have seen those days where when a new product comes to the market as a brand, the bigger brand, they do this sampling. If you would have seen in front of supermarket, they just give small sachets as free sampling. There's free sampling used to happen. Now why the brand does that free sampling? Because customers should use it and understand the product, so that next time the customer buys the product. Correct? That is a very very simple funda of free sampling. I mean, I'm sure everyone knows about it. Now, we were thinking, how do we incorporate this free sampling to our website, which eventually we cannot ask our sellers to give products for free, which is highly not recommendable, and at the same time, it is not in favor with us or to them. So what we did is we have a campaign going on every day in our website, that anyone purchases for the first time, any customer, they get 150 rupees off. So technically, for example, there is no base price for that. So if anyone selling for 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 120 rupees or 140 rupees, those products are going for free. And absolutely there is no commissions, there is no charges, nothing. So very very small entrepreneurs gets massive benefit out of it. Where when you introduce a new product. Now for example, in one of our seller, I don't know if that seller, she's not here because I have invited anyways. So one of our seller introduced a new variant of product, which is an organic toothbrush. And she started selling it for 150. It was 225. She started selling for 150. Believe it or not, she got in I think in January itself, she has crossed about 30 orders by just giving free. Because people come, they pick it up, they see it is 150 off, and it is done. Like I think from January and December, 2 months. So now the product has gone to the customer, they will use it, they will understand the value of it, and then they will order it. So to understand that when you start a new product, no, you have to give free sampling, but I understand you guys can't give free sampling, for which we have started this 150 offers. At the same time, yes, you might be thinking, if I have a product of 1000 rupees, so 150 is not going to matter anything anywhere. For that, we have monthly offers. So when we come up with monthly, like for example, in the month of Jan, we did it like anyone purchases for 1000 rupees, 400 rupees off. Anyone purchases for 1000 and above, 800 rupees off, which means 1100 rupee ka product, you can sell it for literally for 300 rupees. So that is again for a customer, it's like kind of a free, because he's just paying 300 rupees, which is compared to 1100, is just paying 300 rupees. So this is the offer sorry, we provide in Srinari platform. Now coming back to the other benefit, in Srinari we will be opening a store for you, exclusive store, where you get two main things. One is there is unlimited product uploads. There is no restriction for you in terms of variations, in terms of segments, in terms of anything. There is no restriction. So technically, from one product all the way till 10,000 product you can upload. There is no limitation, and this is your own store. And second thing is, which is a very, very important factor. Now, there are a couple of sellers when we were talking, they were saying that, सर व्हाट्स अ यूज अगर बड़े ई कॉमर्स प्लेटफॉर्म में भी हम जाएंगे, वहां पे तो वैसे भी फोटो डालने में तो फोटोशॉप करना पड़ता है। एक फोटोशॉप का ना अगर हम बाहर देंगे तो हमें 500 रुपया खर्च करना पड़ता है। तो हाउ डू वी डू दैट एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट? सो दिस वाज अ डिस्कशन गोइंग ऑन बिफोर इवन वी लॉन्च Srinari. So we made it in a such a point that there is no photo restriction. Photo has to be clear, taken from your phone, and it's not necessary you need to do a Photoshop. Not necessary that if it is jewelry you have to put it on your what you called in a mannequin or anything. There is nothing required as such. You can take from your phone and upload it on your dukan. So there is absolutely no photo restriction. Now coming back to the other point, which is your so-called the courier. Now some sellers, not many, because now couriers are everywhere. So there are some sellers who are from the rural, and they were finding it difficult that I have to travel 1 hour to courier and all of that. So how do we deal with that, sir, and all of that? So we arranged our courier partners. So we have very strong two courier partners with us who services across India, all pin codes, and our courier charges are also very nominal. Just excuse me, 1 minute. Sorry. So our courier charges are also very nominal, and so we schedule courier. You just have to keep your package ready. And why we will not get into packaging, just for one reason, that we want your brand logo, your brand should go to the customer. So customer should able to recognize your brand, and that's the sole reason we have not taken any packaging. Packaging will be from your end. You can beautify, you can put your logo and everything. Now there's another part. When we schedule the courier, you will get the complete biodata of the customer, the customer name, customer's mobile number, customer's mail ID, and customer's address. So that is something you will get by default from our side, so that you can retain that customer by giving more offers from your side, or to build a good customer database. So that we provide from our side. And then we have something called payment terms. Now then we realized that when we were discussing this whole during the coronavirus pandemic, so we realized that in many of the websites, the payment you're getting after 30 days, 40 days, that too, when they get it, there'll be a deduction of this, that, whatever, maybe the courier charges additional, weight discrepancy, all that thing. So we said, okay, that won't work. So uh, after the return policy, within 5 to 7 working days, you will have the money in your account. Now the return policy is something is completely under your control. If you guys want to give return, it is up to you. If you guys don't want to give return, it is completely also up to you. You can just write it down on the product description saying that we will not take the product and on a return basis. So that also is completely under your control because it's your dukan. And then then we have something called, we do every month we do something unique. So if you see, if you go to our website, we have done something called do din ka dhamaka. Now do din dhamaka is where there we give 2 days exclusively for individual seller, where we promote only their products on our social media page. We do pop-up ads on our website. So as soon as you open the website, you will see our that today's seller. We give a very prominent space on our main page, which is, you can show the products which are on the discount, and we do paid ads for that particular 2 days for that particular seller. So this is something which we were thinking that how do we do different, because we don't want to do this digital exhibition which is going on everywhere. So we thought, let's get into this Do Din Dhamaka, something unique, and we can focus on individual seller and how to promote their product and give them the brand recall and give them a maximum sale. So that was the thing. Now, moving forward, we have also coming up is the bidding for our website, which is which we will be scheduling it by what do you call, by the month of May. Hopefully, it should come. So we are coming up with bidding also for our customers, so that they bid the lowest unique price, and that may not have that feature may not have in many of the e-commerce site. So these are the kind of things which comes up for every sellers in Srinari in a very unique way. And other thing is that we do bulk email. We have corporates tied up. We do bulk email to all the corporates so that you all get genuine customers. Apart from our Facebook and Instagram page, we do our bulk emailers with the discounts goes to all the corporates employees, and they purchase the products from our site. Apart from that, there is something called, we have channel partners across India who doesn't have products, but they support all women entrepreneurs to promote in their respective state. So one channel partner, in fact, is doing what you called a family get together in all the bigger apartments where there are 3,000 families. So that promotion is going on every weekend. In fact, last weekend was there, and this weekend also we have got, just now we've got the schedule. So we promote all our sellers product there as well, which it's a direct connect. And not only that, one of our channel partner from Delhi, she's organizing an award which is called Achievers Award, Rising Women Achievers Award, which is scheduled for March 6th. So we give that kind of opportunity also to our registered sellers so that they get recognized all over India. So all these things are part and parcel of the whole package which we provide. And now the biggest thing is that we were supposed to start our global, what do you call, the global sale by this Jan. But eventually, what happened, because of the new COVID variant, we have pushed it for April or May, touchwood, if everything ease out. There, what we are doing is we will be focusing B2B, which means your products are exported to the woman entrepreneur in abroad in bulk, and she sells your brand there in their respective countries. More than B2C, we'll be focusing on B2B, because as I'm sure everyone is aware of, our honorable Prime Minister Modi ji is everywhere with Atmanirbhar. So we wanted to utilize on that and promote our Indian entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs product in respective countries, so that they all can get our Indian products. So that is our another motto, which we will start in the month of April or May once the situation eases out. Now, uh, this is just the part. This is, I've just spoke about the uniqueness. There are few uniqueness which I've highlighted. Now, our job doesn't end here with Srinari. What we also do is we educate you in terms of, first and foremost, how to upload the product. Believe it or not, when we started Srinari, there was a couple of sellers who had nil knowledge on digital experience, digital world. And today, when I speak to them, they teach me some of the key points. So I said, wow, that's like awesome. I mean, I'm learning from them, in fact, because they are so thorough, and I'm very proud of it. Like they have picked it up so fastly. And most of the women are from rural, and they didn't have much of access on laptops and all of that. So they're doing it through mobile. But I'm so happy that, they got that whole, what do you call, taste of the whole getting a wider audience through e-commerce and all of that. So we give you a complete guidance in terms of how to upload the product. Then second is, we also give you the pricing factor guidance. If you remember, I have told you You need to do a market research. So technically, if you don't have time, we do the market research for your product. So we see how you can price your product rightly and how your product is competitive among the whole competitors which is going on in the market. So now, just to give an example, there was one seller who was, I think, selling it for, I don't want to mention the product, but selling it for little expensive affair. And when we compared the rate with other websites and social media platform and all of that, and we told her that what is your margin you're keeping. So she was keeping it 70% margin. So we said that won't work. 70% margin, and I'm sure Ambani families are also not keeping the 70% margin. So we can't really keep those 70% margin. Business doesn't work like that. So you need to understand what kind of margins you need to keep. So we guided her and everything. And believe it or not, I'm not saying like it is because it's our website, but within a month's time, her product moved because it was not moving. So we keep a tab of the products which is sold on our website, why it's not moved. And very important thing which I always tell every women entrepreneurs, that you need to understand one thing, that putting up in e-commerce platform and say, hey, my job is done, that's not what it is. Putting up in e-commerce platform, okay, it works hand in hand. We say no, do haath se tali bajti hai. Similarly, if the e-commerce side and the women entrepreneur should go hand in hand. ये नहीं कि आप ही कर रहे हैं और e-commerce side कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, won't work. Otherwise, you are not doing anything and e-commerce site is doing everything, won't work. It's very, very clear, because the effort has to be from the person who is the person who's selling the products, more than person who we are promoting. Somebody's talking. Hello, can you hear me? Sorry.
Yes, we can hear you.
Oh, great. Perfect. So that's what I'm saying. So you need to put effort from your side also. Effort is very clear. So what I tell them is, when we give offers, right, you need to first send these offers to your existing customers. Many of the sellers, they forget, they'll just neglect the existing customers and they hunt for the new customers. But it should be the other way. When you service more and more your existing customer, eventually you will get new customer. Never ever forget your existing customer. So that's what exactly I tell all my sellers, that when we give offers, first you have to give it more than you're putting into social media page or anything. First is educate your existing customer. Hey, I am at Srinari platform and Srinari is giving this offer for the customers. Like, my product is 800 rupees, Srinari is giving 500 rupees off, so my product is sold at 300 rupees. Why can't you look into it? See, whether they buy it or not doesn't matter, but it is the thing that we are educating them. So every now and then we need to inform our existing customers that this is the offer, this is what we are doing, this is where we are. It could be via WhatsApp, it could be via message, or it could be via through social media or network, however you have connected with them. And that is very important, because they are the one who going to bring you. See, apart from the social media crowd, which is an unknown crowd, they will bring you the known crowd, which the customers will be, I'll not say 100% genuine, but customers will be genuine, right? So that's how we train our sellers, that you need to service your existing customers. You need to put, because in our website, every product you can share it on WhatsApp, and you can completely share your entire store to your social media page. So we train our sellers that, whenever we come up with offers or whenever is there some dhamaka happening, please educate, inform your existing sellers. And that is very, very important point. So like this, we guide them completely on the whole, and educate them. And of course, in our website now recently, one of our seller from Kerala, she was finding it difficult to sell her products, and one of our seller from Delhi, and she really liked it. She helped her to sell the product. So it's like one, and I'm so happy that, similarly in Bangalore, one of our seller helped a seller from Goa to increase the sale. Maybe, exchange of customers. So that also is happening in our website. I mean, here everyone is free to connect with anyone. There is no restriction like, hey, you know what, you can't connect with that seller or you can't connect with this seller. There's nothing like that. I have connected both of them. Similarly, I've connected Bangalore, Goa, and somebody have connected from Bombay, Kolkata. So everyone is doing inter exchange. But best part is that they all are following what we have educated them, and I'm so happy to say that. And other thing is that not only this, I mean, we also help them offline. Now I was telling you, somebody called me. So one seller from Delhi, she wanted a bamboo supply. So we found out that somebody in Maharashtra who's selling a chunk of bamboos. I forgot her name, but she's very specialized in bamboo, and she's from rural. So I said, hey, you know what, please connect with her. Whatever your material, whatever you need will be done. So it's not like it's just an e-commerce platform where you just keep uploading the products. Bika to bika, nahi to nahi, ya kuch ho nahi, nothing. I mean, we train you completely. Whatever help you need, whatever training you required, we give that whole thing. But like I said, it has to go hand in hand. Until as you don't tell us your problem, we will not even know your problem. So that is what the Srinari is all about. And I personally feel, one, I just want to end this, then probably we can get into a Q&A if anyone has it. But I personally feel empowered woman is empowered nation. And you are the pillars of nation. Like I've told you in the beginning, you have everything within you. You just have to refresh your memory a bit, because I understand everyone a lot of commitments are there in family, personally, whatsoever. But today, whatever I said, it is just to refresh your memory, which has already been there in you. So first of all, thank you so much. I hope I didn't bore you all, guys, and you all are very inspiring. And touch wood, I'm still learning from you all. However, I am like probably a 1% of work you guys do, but I'm still learning from you. But thank you so much. Do you guys have any questions you want to shoot up?
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Hi, Sejal here.
Hi, Tejas.
Yeah. Actually,
Sejal.
in short, what you have told to us. So every month, I will do its SWOT analysis in short for my business.
Very true.
Yes, every month I will sit at end of the month and I will do it. What can do better? It's short SWOT analysis for my business,
Yes.
so I
Very
can
true.
reconnect and I refresh it again. So
Yes.
thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sejal.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a question for you.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
So when you are taking somebody's product, when we need to register with you, what are the charges like, and for how long those charges are relevant?
Right. So we have two charges. So may I know, do you have GST or you are non-GST?
I'm a non-GST
No
at
problem.
present.
So yes, that's a good question. I think this question is from Suneet. Correct? No.
No, no, I'm Manik, sir. I'm
Oh,
asking you.
Manik. Okay, great. Okay, I got confused. Right. I'm
No
really sorry.
problem.
Maniki.
Okay.
So there is a two things, right? Just to give a small example, GST sellers, yes, when they register, it's 1 year. Whether it's GST or non-GST, it's 1 year annual fee. The GST for GST seller, it's 3,999 for 1 year, and for the non-GST seller, it's 5,999. Just for a reason, I will tell you. As per the Indian government rule, without GST, you can't sell in any other e-commerce platform. Point number one. And the point number two is the government says that 40 lakh cab limit every entrepreneur has. Why should I get a GST? So both the people are right. So I have to make both of them happy. So it's my deal is very clear. So the product sold for the non-GST seller, the product sold on Srinari, it will be the for that particular product GST will be filed so that that seller will not have any GST issue in the future. So for our non-GST seller, it's 5,999, and for our GST seller, it is 3,999. We are taking only additional 2,000 rupees for filing GST for 1 year.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. It
Thank you,
was
Manik.
very informative and we learned a lot of things. And I think most of our ladies will get benefited if they register with you. And
Absolutely.
other than this, I just wanted to ask whether this is relevant only for products or would you encourage services also?
So for services, we have a completely a separate deal. They don't have this GST non-GST difference. For services, there is one registration fee which is 3,999, and for them, what we do is we have a database of close to about 8 lakh odd, okay, from all over India. So what we do is
Okay.
we tell them to register with us, and we create a good poster on our website, and we embed that poster to their we route that to their either social media page or their website or whichever area they want to. When somebody click onto that, it goes directly to their page and they can deal directly with the customer. We don't get interfere.
Hmm.
And apart from that, what we also tell them to do is make a video of their self, and we promote that video among our database as an
Mhm.
emailer.
Okay. Wonderful, sir. Wonderful.
Yes.
Ladies, do you have any more questions to ask? Please go ahead.
It's a great idea for most of our ladies to, get a wider reach. It's a very
Thank
good
you.
platform.
Sir, so how do we start, sir, if somebody wants to get connected? So should I share your number and they will directly contact you? How is it?
Yes, you can share my number because I'm being very open to you. Now, this is another funny part happened. They just want to share one small off the this thing that 1 minute. Sorry to interrupt. I got dropped off, ma'am. Want to know if GST? No, GST is not necessary for registration. I just saw one somebody's message. So GST is not necessary for registration, right? So yeah, I
We
was
would be
saying.
doing it for them.
Yeah, what I was telling is that uh, everywhere it's my personal number, right? So one of my couple of my friends were asking, hey, you know what, how can you give your personal number, I'm sure everybody's calling, because believe it or not, Manikji, I get calls at 2 in the night, because
Oh
that
my
is where
God.
they will, yeah, 2 in the night, and that's where they will be fresh minded, because they'll finish all their work with the kids and everything, and they say, hey, you know what, hey, Sandeep sir, I've got one new idea of this product. How do we go about it?
Oh my God.
So, and another reason I want to tell everyone, and this has been I've been telling everyone, the reason why I given my personal number, first and foremost, that I give them the complete information which a telecaller may not be able to give. Second is that you can connect directly to the company. You don't have to wait and wait and wait on a telecalling thing. Third thing is, tomorrow, if we expand and become so big, like another bigger e-commerce platform, everyone has my number. So even if you don't get a proper response from my what do you call, my employees, I'll get into picture. These are the three reason I have given my number. Yes, you all can get in touch with me on my number. Manik ji has my number, or if you want, I can share my number also with Manik ji, and she will share it out with everyone. You can ask me any questions if you want regarding this. You can also ask me questions apart from this also. We are more than happy to help you in any aspects.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
And
Madhu.
okay, so we will not disturb you at midnight, 2 o'clock. Definitely not. But
No, I'm used to it. That's why I tell everyone my number is available 24/7.
sir, just one more question. How many have registered with you, and how old is Srinari as of today?
See, Srinari is started in 15th August 2020 in the pandemic
Oh,
to uplift all the women entrepreneurs. We have 60 plus sellers. We have 1,000 plus products, and we have close to, I would say, 30,000 plus customers, plus 8 lakh database.
oh, excellent, sir. Very
Yeah.
good. You are
Yeah.
based in Bangalore, sir? Are you based in Bangalore?
We have channel partner in Bangalore who will her name is, I'm sure she's also actually a part of your group. Her name is Vardha
Varat.
now.
Ah, yes, yes. She's there.
So,
Yeah.
so she was a seller and she's become a channel partner.
Okay.
So our channel partners is more than enough. In fact, they are more than me. So I'm nothing in front of them.
In
But our
fact,
head office is in Chennai.
she had only referred your name to us, saying that
Oh,
we'll
okay.
get to know. Yeah, that's how I got connected to you.
Oh,
Yes.
nice, nice.
Yes, 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 sir.
Yeah, I have a question.
Right.
Yeah, so this is Kala here. I'm a
Hi.
psychologist. Hi.
Right.
So I run an organization. We currently work significantly with private clients, individual clients, and couple clients like that. What I'm looking for is being able to promote myself to organizations. We also provide employee assistance program services for organizations, primarily psychological counseling and training for organization employees of organizations. So I'm
Nice.
wondering, will it be a right platform for me to see how I can get? So this is a service which I offer. So and I'm not under GST yet. So will
Right.
this be a right place for me to get connected with, larger group of organizations where I can perhaps talk to them about EAP programs?
See, absolutely. It's a right platform because I'll tell you a couple of things. One is that for services, right, you don't need a GST to be enrolled with any of the e-commerce site. If any other e-commerce site is asking for the GST, please tell them it is not required because you're doing the billing directly, first and foremost. So you don't need a GST. So that's also a question. So second question to you, answer to your question is, yes, we have a great connect with the corporates. We have a great connect with the groups, like the bigger groups. In Facebook, we have a great connect with the channel partners across India, which they are our channel partners, right? So they have a bigger connect with the corporates. So obviously we can help you out absolutely onto this kind of a sector which you are in.
Yeah. So you mentioned that you would put a poster on the website and, and clients can access it. My question is, would there be a direct connect that you will provide to your database of organizations? How would you promote me? How would you support me there?
So first and foremost, anyone clicks to your poster, it will be directly directed to your website or social media page or whichever page you
Right.
wish to.
Mm-hmm.
But not only that, your posters will be made and sent to our database as an
Okay.
emailer.
Okay.
And however customers comes directly, they connect with you directly. We have nothing to do with that.
Sure, fair enough. But there will be an emailer through which we get access to your database organizations per se. Wonderful. Yeah.
No, you will not be able to access our database because that is our bread butter. But we will be sending them the emailers.
Sure. And if they want to connect, they can directly connect with us. That's what I meant. Yeah.
Absolutely. Yes. They can straight away click and it goes to your page.
Yeah. Thank you. That answers my
Thank you.
question.
Thank you so much.
I have a question.
Yes. Yes, Mansi.
Yeah. See, I'm into finance. I'm into like all financial services, like financial planning, insurance, mutual fund, portfolio management, and complete level of finance. So, will it may help me to connect and grow?
So, finance, what kind of target group you look into? What is your TG? What is your target audience?
My target audience, anyone who wishes to grow their wealth. I mean, so basically, people are my target audience.
Sorry, you're breaking.
Yeah, working people are my audience, target audience. Working people who has no time to manage their finance, no? I can help
Okay.
them.
I would like to understand more about it. Mansi, if you're okay, if you can connect offline with me,
Yeah,
I would
sure.
like to understand more about, because I don't want to straight away say, because if I have to understand more about your concept before I give you a proper guidance.
Okay.
So if we can connect offline, I can help you out. No issues.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Anyone else would like to ask any question?
Somebody's asking, I want your contact number. So
Yes.
if you are okay, Manikji, can I share it here?
Yeah, absolutely fine. Else I
Right.
can also share. If it is convenient for you, you can share, sir, no problem.
Right. So it's simple. It's 98410 15769. That's the only number I have from past 15 years and will be there till I'll be alive.
Sir, can you repeat your contact number, please?
It's 98410 15769.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Any more questions? Okay. So, Sandeep ji, it was excellent session.
Thank you
I'm
so
sure
much.
our ladies have learned a lot of things, and definitely they will contact you and they'll
Right.
get benefited once they get your guidance. I'm sure
Thank you,
they
sir.
can multiply
Thank
their
you.
business.
Thank you so much. And I'm sure you all are going to be, very soon, you're all going to be a biggest industrialist, biggest women empowered community ever. And I would love to see all of you, on the bigger platforms, where you giving awards to others. So hope this
Thank
will
you, sir.
work soon. And 100% it will.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for all your time, your
Thank you so much.
guidance, and all the information that you have shared with us. Thanks a
Thank
lot.
you so much,
We'll be
Manikji.
in touch
Thank you
with
so
you,
much,
sir. We'll
everyone.
be in
Yes,
touch with you.
definitely. Done.
Yes.
Take care.
Thank you.
Stay
Take care.
safe. See you guys. Bye.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye, sir.